Bugatti Chiron Sport, which is listed for sale at Copart in Miami. This car is crash damaged and it's a 1 of 60 car. They didn't make many of these, so getting second-hand parts is definitely not going to be possible. We're going to have to buy directly from Bugatti. And just to let you know how expensive the parts are from Bugatti, 2 headlights are $150,000. This car needs 2 wings, it needs a bumper, it needs a bonnet, and then on the inside of the car, the airbags are deployed.
Alright fam, we got a wild video for you guys today. Yep, like I said before, everyone spoke out about Matt Armstrong and his builds, especially for this Bugatti build he might be getting. Tavares, everyone on Instagram. So I'm going to bring you guys everything on this Bugatti and his possible purchase he just mentioned on social media. So hang steady, we'll get you right to the video.
And if you want some good footage, you want some Fast and Furious footage, this is the man to follow.
Tommy G. McGee. Say hi to Lucci's boys.
Lucci!
Good to see you, man.
Lucci has really strong knuckles. I give him a fist bump, I wish I bruised his ass.
This is a local legend.
My brother.
Hit that subscribe button, stop messing around.
That's right.
Alright fam, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, you know what to do. Reach over, smash that like and subscribe. It's free to subscribe, bring you guys all the latest and greatest in the car community news. And yep, I don't know if you saw, I did a part 1 and 2 on this. Called it right from the beginning, especially when he went and linked up with Alex G in Miami. I'll show you a couple clips of that as well. And yeah, he's waiting for it to see what the price is going to be on Mopar. And if he bids on it, we're going to be seeing him build this next. I'm going to bring you a clip where he speaks out and says, you know, if the price is right, he's going to purchase it and have his first Bugatti rebuild. It's going to be super expensive, but hey, I'll let you guys hear the clips. I'll run it back for you guys right now, bringing you a quick video. And yep, Matt Armstrong, one of my favorite channels to watch. Love all his builds, and he's really kicking ass. So let me get you guys straight over to the clips. Let's go.
£1,000, and here it is being lifted out at Copart back to my unit where now I've actually got to rebuild it. 5 years ago I decided to rebuild an Audi TT which we bought back from insurance. A year after that I decided to quit my full-time job to do what I love doing, filming rebuilding cars on YouTube. Fast forward 4 years after that, we've now built my dream garage at home with a collection where each and every single car has a separate story. This is truly unreal. Attached to that is a full Gymshark gym, fully kitted out so I can work out from home. And to ensure I keep the motivation, through here is a window through onto the cars that we've rebuilt. Truly a dream come true. This to chase your dreams. Yes, I have seen the Bugatti Chiron Sport, which is listed for sale at Copart in Miami. This car is crash damaged and it's a 1 of 60 car. They didn't make many of these, so getting second-hand parts is definitely not going to be possible. We're going to have to buy directly from Bugatti. And just to let you know how expensive the parts are from Bugatti, 2 headlights are $150,000. This car needs 2 wings, it needs a bumper, it needs a bonnet, and then on the inside of the car, the airbags are deployed, the dashboard airbag deployed, the steering wheel airbags deployed. And because the airbags deployed, this car probably won't run because the pyro fuse is cut out. So this car is a non-runner. Now, I actually know the previous owner of this car and I've actually seen all the damage. I know exactly what's happened. I'm going to be showing you all of that in a video coming soon. But right now the auction for this car isn't live. What this car will actually go for at auction, I don't know. But it could be my only chance to get a Bugatti Chiron Sport for a fraction of the price. This car is going for nearly $6 million brand new. I'll keep you guys updated once the auction goes live.
So I I heard you repair cars.
Kind of, yeah. This is slightly more expensive than I thought, though.
You think you could repair this car?
I think it's repairable. Yeah, you did a good job. You did a great job.
So I got the legend himself here. What do you think, man? What do you think?
I just think you shouldn't be allowed to own these type of cars anymore.
You don't think so?
No, you're questioning the most expensive car you own.
You think it's? Can you fix it for me, bro? Can you do that?
I think it's repairable. I genuinely think it's repairable, but I think we're going to be using your money, not
Oh,
mine.
I don't know about that, man. Because I know the combobulator right here. That's the combobulator, right?
I'm actually really impressed by your car knowledge as well.
Yeah?
Combobulator and what was this?
That was the blinker fluid.
Yeah, I'm glad you know that.
Check out my last video just dropped with DDE and Alex G filming in Miami in his hypercar.
I still got it.
They done. They let me drive this shit. Oh, you guys can have that.
Stop that.
DDE and Alex G. Yep, Alex G. That was actually in that controversy with Cody, WD Whistle and Diesel for the CoffeeZilla situation with the trading. They're out in the $2 million hypercar in Miami. We're gonna bring you that footage, as well as Keller Moore gets pulled over in his new Lambo. Got some wild footage for you guys on that. And yep, Alex Choi gets attacked in Los Angeles, as well as a couple more updates on him making the news. This is a car community news. Stuff that's coming out, stuff you haven't even seen yet. Give you guys some sneak peeks. And if you like that kind of content, you're in the right place. So first up is gonna be DDE and Alex G. If you're not familiar with Alex G, it's the gentleman that actually was on the video with Whistle and Diesel recently, where he's a trader and you know, Whistle and Diesel tries to turn a certain amount of money into $1 million, but it didn't end up happening. So CoffeeZilla actually covered that and you know, kind of said, hey, Whistle and Diesel shouldn't be doing videos with people that are promoting trading to, I guess, youth and this and that, and that he did some kind of BS. But hey, all these guys selling courses, you never know what's going on. I mean, from what I hear, the guy does do trading. Again, I don't know nothing. I don't just do car community news, as well as I do vlogs, car meets. I covered the whole entire Monterey car week for the whole week. Give you guys a couple clips on the way out, just let you have something cool hypercars to look at and stuff. Like, comment, subscribe. $17-mile, guys. Only the best cars out here. Old school Targa. Y'all like the content, you know what to do. Smash that like and subscribe for me.
I dare you to go start the car and bring it over. No, I don't even have the keys. He took the keys.
Get you some footage of the inside. Got the Conan sec right here. See this thing all around Car Week so far. Beautiful Jesco, guys. With a dealer plate. All the GDE cars out here. Got the Mercy. Bring you guys all the crazy footage. The new Revolto SLS Alex Choice P1. The Gentani booth. This Gentani. What's up, Alex? Check out the old school Impalas. Monterey Car Week, you never know what you're gonna see. Another Impala. Craziest cars you'll ever see. Check this Ferrari out. Try to get the whole thing in there for you guys. We got a red one like this on Ocean Avenue the other day. GT3 RS. GT3 RS orange. Never know what you're going to come across out here at Monterey Car Week, guys. Alright, fam, appreciate y'all watching. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. And you think he's going to get the Bugatti, think the price will be right. And hopefully he gets it, because it's going to be one hell of a build. And it's going to come out cherry, especially the way he does his rebuilds. Give you guys a little run through on everything. Don't miss the part 1 and 2 I did. See you on the next video. Peace.
Hey, bro. Legend.
You're the man, my boy.
We trust, or you don't rust. I'm working today, brother. I gotta get my butt back home and start editing these videos for you. Yep, I'm gonna be taking this car apart pretty soon, but I got it all mapped out. I got it all planned out.